Have you ever noticed that some houses instantly look expensive, welcoming, and professionally landscaped, even though the owners barely spend time gardening? The secret usually isn't a bigger budget or a professional designer. More often than not, it's simply choosing the right flowers. Let's start with one of the most reliable options. Geraniums are one of the easiest flowers to grow for long-lasting color. Their bright blooms come in shades of red, pink, purple, and white, making them perfect for pots, window boxes, and garden borders. Verbena is an excellent choice. Its colorful flower clusters attract butterflies while adding a soft, flowing look to pathways and entrances. Coneflowers are perfect for gardeners who don't want constant maintenance. These tough plants tolerate heat and drought while producing beautiful daisy-like blooms for months. Yarrow thrives where many flowers struggle. It handles poor soil, hot weather, and dry conditions while still producing clusters of colorful blooms throughout summer. Salvia is hard to beat. Its upright flower spikes bloom in shades of blue, purple, red, and white, and attract plenty of pollinators. For instant cheerfulness, marigolds are always a great option. Their bright yellow and orange blooms light up any entrance and are loved for being easy to grow. Black-eyed Susans are another reliable favorite. Their sunny yellow flowers bloom for weeks and return year after year with very little effort from the gardener. Of course, not every front yard receives full sun. Impatiens thrive in partial shade and continue producing colorful flowers where many other plants would struggle. If you want something that immediately grabs attention, sunflowers can do exactly that. Whether tall or compact, they bring bold color and personality to the front of any home. Now imagine replacing a few flowers with an entire wall of color. Bougainvillea can cover fences, walls, and trellises with vibrant blooms that create a stunning tropical look. For a more elegant appearance, hydrangeas are a fantastic choice. Their large, cloud-like flower heads instantly make a garden feel more refined and luxurious. Coreopsis proves that low maintenance doesn't have to mean boring. It blooms continuously with cheerful flowers in shades of yellow, orange, pink, and red. If your garden gets intense summer heat, blanket flowers are worth considering. Their fiery blooms resemble miniature sunsets and keep flowering even during hot weather. One of the earliest signs of spring comes from daffodils. Their bright, trumpet-shaped flowers return year after year and gradually multiply into larger displays. Gazanias are ideal for gardeners who want maximum color with minimum watering. Their vibrant blooms open in sunlight and handle heat and drought with ease. Finally, Oleander is a hardy flowering shrub that thrives in warm climates. It produces masses of blooms in several colors while tolerating heat and dry conditions exceptionally well. So, which of these flowers would you love to plant in front of your house? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gardening tips, flower ideas, and plant inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.